Okay, I want to show everybody this new toy I got. Most of you who've been watching me know that water spots are an issue in my area. The water's really hard, and I've been trying hard not to have to get basically what I ended up getting. Been trying every little thing in the world to try to do it cheaper, and it just hadn't been working. So I got a Griots Garage portable water deionizer, which is real similar to a CR Spotless. So I'll unpack it for you. This actually came in a bigger box. I took it out. I got, for whatever reason, they put it in a big box, and then they put my little quick couplers in that box along with this, so I thought that was kind of odd. Anyway, so here it is. Comes with a hose. It's like about 3 feet long. Comes with your valves that go on your tank, and I don't know if you can see them or not, but what's cool is they mount on your tank with these little ring nuts, and then anyway, they have all the fittings for them, and what's cool about it is they have these valves that you can shut off to bypass the water, so you can only use the water when you want to use it. You don't have to disconnect it to stop using it, which, you know, will make it last longer. Here's the rest of the fittings. My little quick couplers are going to go on these. It's kind of a bummer they're plastic, but I don't know, we'll see how long they last. I don't know if you can see that. I'll probably make a video where it's put together, just to give you an idea what it looks like. So get this out of here. All right, hold the box. Yep. Okay. I mean, it's kind of heavy, right? But it's going to really get heavy when there's water in it. So there's a resin in here, and the resin somehow deionizes the water. I'm not a chemist. I don't know how it does that. But supposedly you can get more water deionization with this than you can with the CR Spotless, because the CR Spotless has cartridges. There's just a lot more resin in here, basically, is what it amounts to. So yeah, I can't wait to use this, because it's gonna make for some really nice spotless rinsing, and I can't wait. So I don't know if you can see it. But I'll make another video with it put together. Here's gives you an idea of your. I've got a TDS meter on the way. They're really actually pretty cheap. They're under 15 bucks. So I'll measure mine to find out what just the straight water is, and then I'll measure it after I put this in, and hopefully we'll see a dramatic difference. So it's kind of nice. Higher the number, the worse the water, or harder the water. Anyway, wish us all luck.